How's it going? So this is the new camera. What the hell? I don't think that's supposed to be like that. Their muffler's definitely hanging off. That guy probably has no clue either. I should have done some push-ups or something before I went and rode, because it's kind of cold today. I hate long straightaways and it's all windy and I'm on a dirt bike. I brought some deer meat with me. Got some venison because I'm going out in the forest. That's kind of weird. Anyway, I don't know whether to stick it in and leave it in, or, you know, just shove it in and pull it back. First you say leave it in, now you say pull out, you know. Make up your mind. Lift handle. We want supreme. We want supreme fuel. Oh god, we want to... What the fuck, dude? Okay, we want to dump a bunch of fuel. The fuck was that about? I gotta remember to try to not swear in these videos, just because, like, you know, maybe my mom watches it, or just for YouTube's sake, they don't like people that swear. They want you to express yourself, but hey, but only in the ways that YouTube says you can, you know? When the bike was still red, I came around a corner and totally got wrecked. I don't know if you guys have seen that video. That was like 2 weeks after I bought the bike. I come around a corner and front end washed out, and I think I broke my rib and it really hurt for a while. But anyway, so I'm always sketched out on some of these roads. And then last time, like last year around this time, we went to come out here and like some of the corners were just covered in ice, and it was just like, holy crap, dude. It was so sketchy to ride through there, but hopefully we'll be good to go today. I don't know if you guys like these types of videos more, where it's just me just running around exploring and doing random wheelies, like more vlog style, or if you guys like the more cinematic stunt videos and stuff where I'm not flapping my jaw so much. I don't really hear from you guys. I've got, how many subscribers do I have? I don't even know. I want to say I have like 300 something subscribers, which is a lot to me. That's, I mean, think about standing in a room full of 300 people and doing like a public speaking thing. I'd be like, I'd piss my pants. I'm not good at that type of stuff. But anyway, 300 people's a lot to me, you know. But I don't really hear from you guys a lot in the video. Those of you who are subscribed, it seems crazy to me sometimes that, you know, I've got 300 something people subscribed to my channel, right? But I never hear from you guys in the comments, really. Beautiful out here. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, let me know down in the comments, like I said, there's like 300 of you guys, so if you guys like more of the cinematic, just with music and not me talking much, if you like that stuff, you know, let me know. Or if you like a bit of both, like some stuff like this where I'm alone and it's more just like random vlog style. I mean, I guess not that anyone gives a crap what I have to say, but I always like videos like this. It's just funny, the type of random stuff people do and find and whatever. And I got a new camera. I got like a really nice camera. So that too, I came out to take some pictures and maybe some videos today, so you guys will see some footage from that. I've had it for a while now, but I haven't made a video about it because, again, I don't know if you guys care about that stuff because I never hear from you guys or girls, whoever subscribed. But yeah, I got a it's a Canon EOS RP, or EOS, whatever you want to call it. Canon EOS RP. It's a full frame mirrorless camera, super nice, pretty darn expensive, and the image quality for pictures and videos is ridiculous. It's crazy. I'll show you guys some footage probably in this video, some pictures and stuff. I'll throw in some clips from it. So yeah, hopefully I shouldn't have to worry about any cops. I don't want to piss anyone off either. Sorry. I love hitting back roads and woods like this. It's just so gorgeous. Of course, twisties are fun on supermotos, unless there's gravel and you eat shit, and then it's not very fun, because you know that sucks. And of course I'm alone. I'm riding with my friends so much lately that like now I'm like a bitch about riding alone. Like I'm scared to, like, I don't know, I just feel weird because I'm so used to having people with me, you know. Roads here, some of them are a bit bumpy. That's what it is too. It's like when I need to close the throttle to the one side, it's like I can't, like my wrist doesn't turn far enough to actually close the throttle, which is what you got to do. You got to completely, like if you're doing coasting without pulling in your clutch, you got to close the throttle completely and then let engine braking basically hold you there while you give small amounts of brake to keep you kind of where you want to be. That was a big bump. That kind of hurt. Good lord. Good thing I wasn't in a wheelie. That would have literally like thrown me off the ground. Oh dang. Tree down. Damn. Woo, coming in a little hot. See, these are the corners I'm worried about, having gravel or ice, because man, I've come out here before and it's been sketchy. They'd be such a fun road to blast on if you knew there wasn't gravel and stuff, but unless you come through here a full loop and check every corner beforehand. Dude, downhill wheelies, just coast, and then fly off into the bushes because I, you know, leaned over. That would not be good. I would get so wrecked. Hey guys, how's it going? So this is the new camera. Look at this thing, eh? Super nice. Zoomed in a little too far right now. Oh yeah, looking good. Yeah, this thing is super nice. Or the helmet setup that I have with the GoPro. Man, it's kind of dark back here. Anyway, we'll get in the sunlight. Here we go. Boom. Beautiful. So yeah, here's the new camera. I got this cool, check this out, variable ND. Watch this. Boom, just blacks out the whole thing. Crazy. So yeah, that's kind of cool for when it's super sunny out. But yeah, it's got this fully articulating screen. And go, you know, down all the way over for selfies, and then it flips back. This is the lens it came with, 24 to 105. It's pretty sweet. Let's get some quick shots of the bike and we'll see if we can get some cool video. I don't think I have too much more of this road left, but I just want to make a quick video. Like I said, I don't know whether you guys like to see more of the cinematic, like street stunt riding stuff, or if you want to listen to me talk about random things and show you my camera because I have access to cameras and the internet. I don't know. Ooh, kind of looks like shit through here. I don't know what you guys want. So but you guys should definitely let me know whether you want to hear some idiot talk about random stuff and show you his new camera and photos and do wheelies and do the whole vlogging thing. We're gonna make this corner. No, we're not. Okay. Or if you guys want to not hear me talk ever again and do more stunts and cinematics. So yeah, let me know, guys. Until then, I'll see you next time.